Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the time automatically in Windows 11, step by step. Enabling automatic time synchronization ensures that your computer always displays the correct date and time. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and select Settings. You can also press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to quickly open the Settings app. Once the Settings window opens, click on Time and Language from the left-hand menu. Next, select Date and Time. Under the Date and Time settings, look for the option labeled Set Time Automatically. If this option is turned off, click the toggle switch to turn it on. Windows will now automatically synchronize your computer's clock with an online time server. You should also make sure that the Set Time Zone Automatically option is enabled if you want Windows to detect your time zone automatically. If your computer is still showing the wrong time, scroll down and click the Sync Now button under Additional Settings. Windows will immediately synchronize the date and time. Once the synchronization is complete, your computer should display the correct date and time. Enabling automatic time settings helps keep your system clock accurate and can prevent issues with apps, websites, and online services. And that's it. You've successfully set the time automatically in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.